Did you know Microsoft and Pebble were working on an app for Windows Phone? They were. We're going to show you what it's all about, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, Daniel Rubino here with Windows Central, and I got a surprise for you guys today. It is the Pebble Connect app, which you can see right here. So this is the official app that Microsoft was working as a demonstration to the Pebble company to sort of get to show them that the Pebble device here can work with Windows Phone. So it's up on the store. You can't install it, and if you download it and try to sideload it, it won't work either because of some restrictions. We've gotten around those restrictions due to some magical help, and I'm just going to show you what it's all about here. So I'm going to launch the app and you can see it how it connects up. So it's not a very pretty app. It's meant for diagnostic and testing, but you can see here there's a log screen. Now I do want to say before you connect your Pebble to go into pairing mode, you need to launch the app. And you need to go into the battery saver here, and you're going to see Pebble Connect Beta, and you want to make sure that that's enabled. Otherwise, it won't work. You need to have it running in the background. It's off by default. You need to set it manually to run in the background. Once it's running, of course, it does run, but you do need to enable that before it gets any further. Once you do, though, you go into this screen here. You can see all the notification types, so you can do phone calls, app uninstall, which is kind of a weird notification, email, toast notifications, so that's just like general notifications, specifically alarms, reminders, and media. I'm not really too sure what media is, but it's kind of interesting. You also have more settings here. No notifications during quiet hours. For some reason, it doesn't seem to stick, but you can select that. Email notifications for only inbox, and disable all notifications on watch. So kind of interesting. And then this is actually the really cool part here, which is the list of apps. So these are all the apps installed on my phone, and I can actually go through and basically check and uncheck which ones I want to presumably notify the Pebble. So that's kind of neat stuff. Obviously Domino's Pizza, Discuss. And so if you see this one here, DevBit, it's just a developer version of the Fitbit app that I use. But you'll see, in fact, some notifications for that. Once it's running though, you can see it actually, and I do have my custom Windows Central background there, but we can go into notifications. You can kind of see the history of it. Let me zoom in there, it's a little bit far out. So Smart Things is my for the house, and it's basically telling me these are notifications from my doors open. Smart Things is of course the connected hub for your home that you can use. And you can see I got my Fitbit notifications, App Store. Actually, some of these notifications in here are going to be from my iPhone because that's what I used to have this testing with. But let me actually show you to prove that this actually works, because that's probably what you guys really want to see. So I'm going to power this off, and I got my other phone here, and I'm just going to type in Windows Central. Of course I misspelt it. It's kind of hard typing while you're recording a video. And let's see, okay, so I got Windows Central there, and now I'm going to send, and we'll see what happens. And as you can see, the message comes right up, and so you get the messaging, Daniel Rubino, Windows Central, and it works just as it should. Now the only notification is kind of funky is incoming phone calls. It does work, but when it comes in, I don't want to do it right now because of the phone number stuff, but when it comes in, it basically tells you to update the app on your phone to Pebble 2.0. So there's a little incompatibility issue going on there, but overall it generally works, and more importantly, it works for text, it works for Skype notifications, even Cortana alerts will come through it. So definitely very interesting. And the vibration alert on Pebble, I always forget how loud it is. It's something you cannot miss. So there we go. Head to Windows Central for more information. And yes, we are going to be distributing the AppX file for you. You will need probably a developer unlocked phone, but other than that, you should be able to sideload it yourself. And if you have a Pebble, you can go ahead and use it, knock yourself out. There you go. Take care, everybody.